quaternary structures is the highest level of interaction that causes, basically it's the last level of interaction. What do I mean by that? It describes the interaction between polypeptide subunits. Now, what's a subunit? Now, if we have a protein right here, this protein is composed of several, if not two, separate polypeptides, and the single polypeptide now is called a subunit. So let's say we have this protein right here. It has a lot, let's say this is 1 and 2 polypeptides that are composed in it, just as a theoretical example. That would mean that this is a dimer. When a dimer is basically a polypeptide or a quaternary structure with just 2 polypeptides. And a trimer is when you have 3 polypeptides inside a quaternary structure. So quaternary structures really are just interactions between different polypeptides. So when we have different polypeptides, that is when we have different polypeptides interacting with one another, that is when we have quaternary structure. So that is the key to understanding it. And multi-subunit just refers to different polypeptides, individual polypeptides coming together to form one big structure, which is the quaternary structure. So that is what a quaternary structure is. So a question to leave you off with is, what bond cannot be a quaternary structure? If you said the answer is the peptide bonds, then you're absolutely correct, because a peptide bond cannot be formed between 2 different polypeptides, and that's just not possible. So remember that this one bond that can never be a quaternary structure is the peptide bond.